message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. At 9:30 p.m. local time, several bombings and a large amount of rioting was confirmed at the Roanoke store on Mill Mountain. Rioters have also been reported attacking bystanders, looting, and causing fires. Casualties are now in the double digits. A curfew is in effect from 9:45 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. local time. Residents are strongly encouraged to stay in their homes and lock all doors and windows. If you must go outside, do not approach these rioters as they are considered extremely dangerous. Law enforcement and emergency personnel will defend and escort residents to one of the following safe zones: the Roanoke Memorial Hospital, the Roanoke Community Hospital, the Salem Courthouse, the Benton Firehouse, the Louisville Hospital, and the Roanoke County Police Precinct. Avoid downtown Roanoke until further notice. Please stay tuned to local news media outlets for further details and information on this developing situation.